Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your LycaMobile phone number in 2026. So first of all, it's very important for you to know this thing that LycaMobile generally does not offer you a self-service option that is going to let you instantly choose a new phone number from your account. In most of the cases, you will need to request the change through the LycaMobile customer support, or you need to obtain a new SIM card. So the easiest method for you is to contact the LycaMobile customer service and explain that you would like to get a new phone number. So you need to come here on LycaMobile's official website. When you are here, you just have to click on this particular chatbot option, then click on the option of let's start. Now over here, you just have to simply tell them that you want a new phone number, and the representative will going to basically get your request, and they will help you know that whether a direct number change is available in your region, or if any requirements or fees apply to this. Alternatively, you can also purchase a new LycaMobile SIM card, and once it is activated, the SIM will be assigned a new mobile number automatically, and this is often the fastest way to start using a different number. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.